Good morning from Canggu, Bali. My name is Rodney, and I now have been a nomad for 2 weeks. So a question I keep getting asked is, what is it like being a solo traveler? Do you get lonely? Most of my days are fine, and I think the key to my survival has been getting routines. So my daily routine is wake up, drink coffee out on my balcony and watch the sunrise, go down to my hotel restaurant, get my delicious breakfast, come back up, shower, and get ready to go to my gym. Now my gym is a place called the Body Factory, and it's more like a club. I can spend 3-4 hours a day there. I usually do a workout for like an hour and a half, then I spend about 30 minutes using their amenities. They have a great dry sauna, they have that cold plunge pool, and by the time I'm done with all that, they have an amazing pool. And I can lounge out there chatting with people for about an hour to 2 hours. So then I start walking back to my hotel. And this is when I kind of explore shops. I just people watch, and that's all good. Once back at my hotel, I shower and I start thinking about dinner. Now this is where I have to make an effort because a large part of me doesn't want to go back out. And I start thinking, oh, where am I going to go eat by myself? Once I get out, eating by myself is no problem. I'll get on my phone, I'll get the Wi-Fi, and I'll start looking at social media, I'll start checking messages, so time goes by quickly. But it's the after dinner part. As I'm walking the streets, I see large groups of people in bars. I hear at the gym people going out to clubs, going dancing, and that's just not my vibe. I don't mind going to a fun bar, having a drink or two. When I was back in LA, I would go to Eastwood, the country bar, and I love line dancing. But here, I just haven't done that. And I'll tell you, I really don't like alcohol that much because it affects my workouts, and I don't let anything get in the way of my workouts. So once back in my hotel room, that's the loneliest part of the day. I tend to read more now. I brought 4 books with me, and I read every night. I've watched a little bit of Netflix. I'm watching The Walking Dead, the one in New York City, so that kind of keeps my attention. This is the time of day I would love to be able to pick up my phone and call a friend or start texting a friend, but guess what? The time difference. When I'm home in the evening, people are asleep back in the States. So yes, it's the evenings that are the loneliest part of my day, but it's not that bad. I'm adjusting. So what's it like being a solo traveler? So far, so good. I'm surviving. Hope everyone's doing well, and I will chat with you again soon.